Growing an email list is very hard, but I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to grow your email list in about 15 to 30 minutes. Email marketing has a 4,300% return on investment and is absolutely essential if your business is going to scale. Real quick, if you don't know me, my name is Rick. I'm your marketing guy, and follow if you want to stop wasting money on marketing. So I went to ChatGPT and I asked, what are some landscaping lead magnet ideas? By the way, we're using a landscaper for an example. I went with number 3. Next, I asked it to give me those 5 different trends in landscaping. Here they are. So next I came over to Canva, I searched landscaping templates, and I found one. I made a hook page, and then I added a page that's going to include all the information. So here's the cover page of it to generate interest. And here's going to be the first point that ChatGPT gave us. Obviously, you need to vet what ChatGPT says because you just don't know what's going on, but it was sustainable landscaping. Here's the blurb it gave us, and also added before and after picture. Goes a long ways. And obviously, you use Canva to do 2 through 5 as well, so that way they get like a little 6-page document that feels worth it. You can then upload this document to something like MailChimp, so that way it automatically sends when they sign up for your email list.